Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. I am coming to you guys with a quick ponytail shower video. I'm not using any gel. The two products I'm going to be using is the coconut whipped cream product. So one is a leave-in conditioner and one is actually the defining curl cream. I know you guys said that when you use just the leave-in conditioner, it makes your hair dry. So I wanted to see if that will still be the same case if I applied the curling cream on the top of it. So we're gonna jump right into this video. Like always, this is my hair freshly washed, deep conditioned, and everything under the sun that you can think of, so that my hair would not dry out doing this particular style. So what I'm going to be doing is finger detangling my hair and just making sure that my hair is as smooth as possible before I go in with my brush. And I am going to be working in two sections. So now that I have both sections applied with the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go in with the curling defining cream. And you guys, this product smells really good. It smells like coconut. I like coconut. My hair likes coconut. So I really didn't have a problem with the smell or the texture of the product at all. It wasn't over like bearing or anything like that. And you guys, it looks like I'm using a lot, but I'm really not. This product stretches and goes a long way. I know it looked like I used the whole bottle with the leave-in conditioner, which I did, but I've already used the leave-in conditioner like more than 6 times. And I can say for me, that's a lot of usage because my hair do suck up product. But with these products, my hair don't suck up that much products, like especially with me putting water on it. And I will have to say this is my first time like applying the product with water like this in my hair. And one thing that I have noticed about my hair is it either soaks up a lot of the water or it soaks up a lot of product. And I hope that makes sense. So when I'm doing this, is like it looks like I'm using a lot of product, but my hair is mostly filled with a lot of water. So I don't feel like the style had a lot of hold to it because of the amount of water that was still left in my hair. So now that I've applied the curling defining cream to both sections of my hair, it's time for me to form that low ponytail. And normally I do put buns in my head. I don't normally try a ponytail. I think I've seen Kimberly Sherrill try to do the ponytail in the shower. I was just like, hey, you know what, like I've never did that, but I think she used gel and I did not want to use gel in my hair. So I wanted to see if it could actually work for my hair and how thick and long my hair is. I used to do this when my hair was heat damaged and it was a lot shorter. I have not tried this low ponytail or a low bun forming it in the shower since I've been natural pretty much, and my hair has been past waist length. I haven't tried it. So you guys, this is just a testing video. I do have that fake Denman brush that I'm using here, and this is the only hair tool that I'm going to be using. Really quick, I will have to say that my hair did not get dry, but my hair do need a gel on the top of it for it to last more than 2 days. this hairstyle lasted, like I said, about 2 days. By the third day, my hair was just done and it was dry by that point. So, you guys, that's just something to reference. I am like doing a lot of finger detangling. Normally, it's really quick for me when I did do this style in the shower, but like I said, I was heat damaged and my hair was nowhere near the length that it is now. But it was just kind of amazing to see my ponytail in this longer state, I guess you could say, because I don't get to see my ponytail being this full and this long because it's always either shrunken up or I have braids in my head. So it was quite neat seeing my hair in this state. But I will try this style again using gel, but I will not just like continuously put my head in the water. I think it will be what it is. Like, you understand what I'm saying? It's like it's going to be what it is, because I'm not going to be able to have this much water in my hair. So I can see if the style will last longer. I think the water kind of ruined the style, if that makes sense. So once again, I'm going back through and finger detangling that ponytail. And here I'm just admiring like how long my ponytail actually is with it being wet. And this is just me putting my shower cap on because I don't want the hard work to just be washed down the drain. So I had to rinse myself off. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. This is the second day. So you can see how it's kind of frizzy, but it looks swollen because I tried to do the banding method down my ponytail. And this is how short it shrunk up and how puffy it got with the banding method. So to me, I would give this style like, I don't know, probably like a 5. It's okay. You know, to me, it's okay. So just leave comments down below. Let me know if you like this style. My hair did hold up, but let me know if you like the style down below. Thanks, guys. Bye.